What's up, YouTube? Jeff back again today with a very exciting Samsung video for you guys. And today, Samsung finally completed the theme park overhaul, which we talked about last week. They finally pushed out the update to Keys Cafe, which finally brings that seamless update that replaced the APK method of installing new themes using theme parks. We're going to take a look at that update, take a look at a feature that it removed, because there are some removed features with the theme park update like we talked about, and show you guys where you can get it as well. Before we get started, I do want to thank my 3-year-old son, Jonathan, always giving us some toys to hang out in the video. We've got the tiger today and the lobster, a little bit of variety. We always appreciate him, of course. Also, if you're new to the channel, check out my alpha link. We've always got the latest video. Sign up for our newsletter. You can get information about Samsung customization, what we're up to. Also, if you're in the US, you can get in the mystery box program by signing up for the newsletter. If you buy a new Samsung phone through our affiliate link at launch time, get a free case, cleaning kit, desktop phone stand. We also insert random goodies like Google Play gift cards, Amazon gift cards, etc. Next launch will be the Fold 6 and the Flip 6 in July, and then the Galaxy S25 launch next year. So check that out if you're interested in the pinned comment and description. So the update we're talking about today is Keys Cafe. So let me head over to the Galaxy store really quickly. First, I want to remind you guys, this is all part of the big theme park update version 1.1.00.08 that rolled out last week. The biggest overhaul to theme park ever. Basically, this allowed you to, instead of installing using the slow method that you create a theme and then you install a brand new APK that represents that theme, now it uses the color palette method, which basically is using the underlying Monet engine and Android to apply the theme. It's a lot faster. I showed that last week and I'll link it below. They mentioned, though, in this particular update that in order to have the fully working integration with all the different things you can theme, like the quick panel, the keyboard, all that good stuff, that you need both Quickstar and Keys Cafe to work together with Theme Park. You need the newest version. So last week they got the Quick Start update out. Now we have the new version of Keys Cafe I'll show you guys today. But there are some important things I want to remind you guys of before you update this. In case you use these features, you might want to keep the old version of Theme Park. Some people may prefer. They removed app theme settings. They removed color palette change. They removed the keyboard change keycap style. I know a lot of people are interested in that one. I'll show you where that is today. If you've never seen it before, it's kind of a big piece of customization to remove. And then theme park theme home screen folder shape change deleted as well. So I'll show you guys a couple of those today that they removed because I have the old version on my other S24 Ultra. So let's actually go into the new version of Keys Cafe. Now, I got this from APK Mirror, so if you guys want to grab it, let me go back to the main home screen in Keys Cafe. I'll drop the link below. It's not rolled out here in the US Galaxy Store yet. Of course, you can wait for it to come to the Galaxy Store on your device. We go to App Info. This is version 1.6.01.10. There are a bunch of changes in the changelog here, which I'll show you in a second. There's quite a few bugs, but the only main new feature is the integration with the new One UI 6.1 theme park applying method. There are no new features that I can really see in terms of make your keyboard. It's pretty much the same. Style your keyboard, effects, nothing has changed there. Sounds, nothing has changed here either. The colors, you've always been able to kind of create your own colors here. But now, of course, if you do create these colors and you install it, so if we go up in here, let's go test keys 1, click OK. It's a lot faster. And when you tap on this, now the application doesn't create a separate APK. It'll automatically apply it. You can take a look at your keyboard and then kind of see how it looks, apply any effects that you're interested in, etc. From that home screen. So once you go to Style Keyboard, you can choose the different effects, sound effects, and all that stuff. I actually like that one, so I'm going to turn that on. So anyway, nothing really new there except for the improved speed. And if you go in Theme Park and create themes now, you'll have the same deal. So if you go in Theme Park and go to Keyboard, all of your themes show up there. It's kind of redundant. They still have 2 apps for this, but anyway, if you hit Create New in here, you get the same exact menu and all that stuff. However, what's missing, and I'll show you guys in a second, is that there used to be the option to change the keycap style. So let me actually switch this out really quickly from my other S24 Ultra, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So if you go to the old version of Theme Park, this is the old version, and also the old version of Keys Cafe. Going to Create New, down here you have this key style. You can change the key style on your keyboard. So you've got all these different key styles that you can utilize, and that option is now completely removed. Now, the other option that's really important that's also removed from the new version of Theme Park, you go up to the three dots menu, there's no longer the app theme setting, which allowed you to go in here and basically change the way this works. And then also, you can also change your color palette throughout using the Monet theming engine. And that, of course, is because they're now using that to actually apply the individual themes. So you cannot manually control that. In fact, again, if we bring this one back in, this is the new version. Those options don't exist. You just have the About This app up there at the top. So we lost some key features, even though it is a lot faster. There's no doubt about that. It's quite a bit faster, but we definitely lost some key features in these updates. Now quickly, let's run down. There are a couple of key bug fixes as well. It's actually a really long bug fix changelog in this version of Keys Cafe. For those who are interested, it's version 1.6.1.10. This is the only new feature, theme optimization, we just talked about. Look at all the bug fixes though. Improvement of app interruption, correct errors while selecting images from my own sticker, correct errors on the key effects screen, which is one that I did have, errors getting key effects to apply on the old version, correct typing practice start error where it wouldn't actually show the ability to practice your typing in Keys Cafe, correct progress bar errors related to the key size and keyboard editing, fix key error where key label is empty, correct errors that cannot be entered with Chinese keyboard in my own keyboard creation, save menu, fix the problem that occurred when the device was rotated in the keyboard creation dialog. I also had that issue as well. So it's actually a fairly sizable update if you're having bugs with Keys Cafe and brings those faster theme applications. I am disappointed to see so many of these features removed with this theme park, but I don't know if there's another way since they are basically using, again, the color palette, the Monet theming engine, unlike Android, which Samsung kind of tweaked for One UI. That's how they're applying it instead of using APK. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think of the new theme park overall. Keys Cafe, quick start. Are you liking it? Do you hate the features being removed? Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification icon. Check out the alpha link below if you want to see the new videos. Sign up for the newsletter. Get on those mystery boxes if you're here in the US. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.